Hello everybody, welcome to a little bit of a bonus track. This is Game Bro Monday, Telltale Tuesday kind of thing. If you've been watching Telltale Tuesday, you know that in the last episode we chopped our finger off. And it was gruesome and I hated it. But out of our own curiosity, we wanted to check it out again and see what the other ones were. Like the saw and all
Porcelain
that shit.
lizards? They look new. Out of place with the rest of this old beat up stuff.
I know what to do, so we're just gonna run through it. I'm gonna see if I can't find anything else. So you're watching Pro Jared while Eric eats chips in the background. It's still his birthday. Happy birthday, Eric.
Thank you.
It's like the 4th time. We punched him today. Me and all my friends, we wait outside his French room because we get back from hockey early.
Whoa, wait.
What?
You have friends?
Oh, fuck you! They punched you in the face. We all beat the shit out of Eric. There's that axe. Is that what we use?
Yeah.
Yeah, we used the axe. Oh, man, I feel bad.
I didn't get to watch it all.
What?
I didn't get to watch it all even.
Move your feet. Move your feet. I gotta get close up on this mic. Okay, so I'm gonna look around first.
Yeah.
See if I can't grab stuff. No, because we don't know what we're doing.
True.
So I guess Ethan's like, there's stuff here, but I don't know what I need or what I'm getting.
Try turn that off.
Yeah, we're gonna turn off the other controller. So this is kind of like a bonus clip. You don't have to watch it if you don't want.
No, we're not progressing any.
We're not doing anything in this episode. We're just checking out all the other death
Are
scenes.
you prepared to suffer to save your son?
Are you prepared to
You
suffer?
have
5 minutes to cut off the last section of your
the last
finger.
section of one of your fingers in front of the camera. If you succeed, you will get your reward.
Check out the pinky. The bone's the smallest. I'm gonna use it as a pinky.
I'm using my ring finger. Alright, so I know there's stuff in here. Grab that. Come on, Ethan. Hurry the fuck up.
You have 5 minutes.
I know, but I want to look around. I don't want... anything back here? No. Scissors? Oh, that's what we're doing.
Oh my god.
It's gonna suck.
Yeah. We're not gonna do this.
I don't know. We'll look at them all and be like, well, that one would be cool to watch, you know? Like the pliers, the saw, the scissors. The cleaver, yeah, I don't know if I want to even watch the
Probably
cleaver.
same as the axe.
Same as the axe.
You have 4 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Like, you know, with the cleaver, you're cutting, right? How do I do this? Do I turn on the oven or whatever?
You can, yeah. I need to get everything.
Let's turn on the sink, get some water in my face. Chip me, bro. Oh. Oh. The whiskey. Do you think the origami killer put this stuff for us? Or do you think he just picked a random room? No, I didn't mean to do that.
Hatchet back.
Yeah. But we're not grabbing the hatchet. We already did that. I
What's
want
that stick?
that. The rebarb pipe. That's what we're burning to cauterize.
Wait.
You have 4
Dude,
minutes
the saw is gonna
left.
suck.
Oh yeah. That's what I hurt the most.
Really? Are you just sitting down to chill, brother? Come on. What's this? Ah, there it is. Popsicle, the bite onto. Thought it was a popsicle. Or is it glass? Is it glass?
No. I don't think
No, it's something to bite onto. Okay. Yeah, you didn't get to see the cauterize in the room. It was gruesome. Just as gruesome as the other one.
Wouldn't that hurt just holding that?
No.
Did I get the whole thing?
You
hot?
have 3 minutes
You didn't
and
take
30
science, did
seconds
you?
It wouldn't make the whole thing red hot, but it'd still be hot.
Oh, it'd be a little hot, but it wouldn't be like, ow, hot. Alright, still got time. So, anything back here. And leave. Be the bitch move. Oh, I can't. Oh, okay. Oh, man.
What are the pliers for?
To cut your finger off. Alright. It's probably everything.
Hopefully.
I still want time to do stuff. Fucking took that off like a man. Did you see him? He was like, I'm a man. Keep drinking, brother. Get crunk.
What's wrong?
Oh.
Crazy drunk?
You have 3 minutes left.
I don't do that.
Fucking asshole. Alright, so we're drunk. What else we got? Pain pills?
Wait, did I take those last time?
No.
I'm gonna take them afterwards.
Oh,
Oh.
it's clean it. It's clean the room. Okay. That.
So,
Yeah? Alright. Fuck.
what's that? Oh.
See his head glitch?
You have
Do it.
2 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Try it.
Yeah, try it? Are you fucking kidding? I'm doing this shit.
What are they gonna cut off? They're gonna cut them all off? Oh my god. Ah!
I can't believe you're making me do this. Oh my god! Oh my god, I can't do it again! Oh, fuck that, man.
Oh my god!
Oh, that had to have been the most gruesome. It made me keep doing shit.
Cut it all off!
Oh, we didn't cut it off! Just gotta keep going. Oh. Fuck!
Wrong option.
Well, there you have it, guys. That's the Saw ending. God damn it.
No cameras now.
I'm trying to put this guy through even more pain. Get ready for this.
Why did you just go straight to the hospital?
Because one is a murderer. Right, that thing that happened. Fuck, I think the scissors would be
Under the
nice.
desk.
Alright, that's all we wanted to see. We know what happens from here.
I don't.
We bust the thing out of the... Back to main menu. Yep. Alright, next one, scissors.
So
This time-
really all we can do is
No.
got scissors.
What?
We don't have to collect everything. We gotta collect
Yeah, I know. I
scissors.
just wanted to see what else. That was
Oh.
everything, okay? So that was the everything ending and a fucking Saw. We did a lot this game. Check this out. The lizard. No save.
Cut right through a wound.
Shut up. Don't even joke about that. That is actual fire. Press the indicated button repeatedly until it disappears. Alright, so we're just going for the scissors. This is just a chilling one. Chilling as we cut off our finger. Over
Chilling, yeah.
and over and over again. That had to have been the worst though, come on. You saw? Because we actually had to do it again, like what was on the ground. So we're going straight for the scissors, and then you know what I think? I would just load them up, and then bam.
I don't know if this is sharp enough.
Well, this is gonna suck. I'm just going only for the scissors. No time to get drunk. No time to cauterize the wound. We're just fucking.
You're not gonna
Porcelain
get
lizards?
drunk?
They look new. Out of place with the rest of this old beat up stuff.
Suck. He sounds so calm. Smash. There's the key.
Smash.
Grab the key.
Smash.
You have chips?
Right behind you.
Alright. So, I like dust particle. Did I say that? How it's so dusty and you actually can see the dust.
Smells like you, Dusty.
Ha ha! Oh! Oh! Sugar snap peas!
You guys pretty good. Don't make fun of those.
Whatever. I'm not into dust jokes. Probably should stop tapping because they can hear that. And then you instantly start bouncing your fucking knee. This is new. Is this new?
What?
He looks more like attentive almost like. I don't know. Maybe if we do this enough, then they'll give us a special ending. I'm not.
You do every ending.
We'll say this right now. We're not gonna do this for all
Are
the
you
challenges.
prepared to suffer
Yeah.
to save your son?
This one's just
You
really
have
cool.
5 minutes to
Yeah.
cut off
Sounds
the
good.
last section of
That
one
weird-
of your fingers
it's cool
in
to
front
chop
of
off.
the
Chop your
camera.
finger. That's cool.
If you succeed,
No, I mean I
you
just
will get
want. I'm
your
interested in
reward.
how he does it every time. Obviously, the axe is the best choice. Come
Oh, yeah.
on. It's just one clean cut. Where are the
Pliers might
scissors?
be- I don't know. Really think. So you're gonna get the scissors and chop it off?
Yeah, just scissors. All right, let's do it. Here we go, Ethan.
What the hell? Why are
You're
you
like,
doing this?
no.
They're like safety scissors. Nobody's gonna cut off a finger.
Do it.
Do it! Well, I'm gonna try it.
What?
I'm gonna-
Then we don't finish it. We like figure it out, and then we don't actually do it though.
Oh my god!
Like we get the idea of how to do it. Oh, those aren't. Oh my god! I gotta shake it again. Oh, fuck this! Oh, that one hurt.
Get through.
That one hurt. Oh, you couldn't get through.
That's what this is broke.
What you gonna do? Oh, we had to rip it off! Never mind about the fucking saw!
She didn't show the picture. She didn't show the fingers on the ground. You know how cool that would be if you showed the fingers on the ground? You know how cool that would be? I can't believe that's greasy when I'm smiling. What's that say about life? Am I gonna be the mass murderer?
Oh, okay,
You're like-
I think that's good. I don't want to see the next
no,
one.
we gotta see the
The
pliers.
pliers?
We gotta see the
Dude,
pliers.
why was the axe so much better?
Well, I'm glad we picked the axe.
Yeah, for the actual playthrough, we did do the axe one, which sounds a lot better now that I'm looking at this shit. Like, the saw doesn't go through, the scissors don't go through. What the fuck? No! Okay. Where's Sean? Oh, I miss Sean. Fuck you. The lizard. Go save. I think this is your one.
Sweet.
Kidding. Not really. Happy birthday.
Thank
We
you.
need chips. Eric is gonna do the final one, which is the pliers. That's gonna suck.
This is really gonna suck, but let's try it. Let's watch Jared cry again for the 5th time.
No!
What? Oh.
Alright, we're good. I did a Skyrim game. I did a Skyrim video. I didn't record sound. It didn't work.
Oh.
Yeah, so there's a silent Skyrim episode. Yo, I'll see that later! I'm no longer here! Green lizard.
Wait, how do you walk?
R2.
Thank you. I couldn't remember.
Porcelain lizards? They look new. Out of place with the rest of this old beat up stuff.
What is that? Get the key. Why did they lock it?
Cause he's a douchebag.
I guess so no one that's not really supposed to be in there goes in there maybe. You just see all these things on the camera. Just chop off your finger now or you die. Where were the pliers?
What?
Where were the pliers?
Right there.
Right where? Oh,
Side TV.
yeah. Pliers. Okay, come on, stop being so hesitant and just cut off your finger already. It's a lot to ask, but
Just chop off your damn finger so we can get on with the real story.
exactly.
I'm so done with seeing this already.
Yeah.
Are you prepared to suffer to save your son?
Nope. I'm out of
You
here.
have 5 minutes
What if you
to
leave?
cut off the last
What?
section
But I
of
wanna know
one
if you
of your
laugh.
fingers in front
Wanna
of the
try it?
camera.
Yeah.
If you
Try it
succeed,
instead of
you will
pliers.
get your reward.
But it's gotta be the same with the scissors.
I say we do the pliers and then we'll do the next one. This is just a
Alright.
fun video. It's just an extra.
Alright, come get the pliers. Oh god. I god that would cut through you.
You have to do it. Oh god.
Here we go.
You have to do at least one of the bad ones.
Do it. Oh god. Watch this. Watch.
I am fucking watching. I don't want to, but I am. I'm just get done with. Did I say this? That I would just fucking grab the axe and just BAM! And then I would deal with it after. Oh, this sucks.
You have
Oh,
4
God.
minutes
This is you,
and
man.
30
I'm gonna
seconds
sit
left.
back.
Do I have to look? Oh! Oh, I think he got in one shot.
Oh god.
I think he got in one shot.
It never gets any better.
He would definitely have done what I would have done in that case and just swam it.
Yeah, that's what I would have done.
What about the blood? Wait, I guess that's from his legs too.
Yeah, we never caught on this as well. No, that's definitely finger blood. That's fresh. Is his finger hanging up too?
I wish.
Go over to the table. Oh, it's totally there!
Under the desk.
I don't see it.
Okay.
Just leave.
Yeah.
No, you can't.
Alright, start. And back to main menu! And then we're gonna just leave and see what he says.
And say yes.
No. Wait, yes.
Oh god. Alright, now we're just gonna leave.
Yep. This is gonna be the best one of all of them.
Yeah, because there's not gonna be any blood. Unless something just comes down out of, like, nowhere. It's like,
Yeah.
ah!
It's like, did you really play checkers? And then up.
Oh,
Yeah, then it goes all the way there. Or not. Go right. Third session of a few. No,
please. No safe.
no save.
Why, what's that to you?
If we don't save, then it will. It'll use our axe playthrough
Oh.
when we chopped our finger off. For real.
Oh. For real?
For reals.
Oh, nosies.
Hey, cool. My cousin got on Google Street View. Dude, that's so sweet. That's my cousin. Cool.
That's sweet. I mean, you probably can't even tell it's him, but...
Oh, of course not. But
How
hey,
How did they know it was him?
because it was him running that day.
Oh. That's pretty sweet.
Super cool.
I mean, 2014.
Eric Watson and... Oh, shit, I'm sorry. Nothing. 15 years old. Yay.
Brandon Nielsen.
It's third one, or the second one.
Great. Guess I'll just probably have to delete this.
Porcelain
What?
lizards?
Not allowed to delete
They
that.
look new.
What you're gonna say?
Out of place with the
No.
rest of this old beat up stuff.
How would they get this keyless porcelain thing? They have to put it in before they baked it.
Kiosk. I said kidding, and it said kiosk. Fuck you, Google or autocorrect. Fuck you, autocorrect. Piece of shit. Alright, we're just walking out on this one. Because, like the real men we are. Keep our finger for another day.
Thank you for the sidewalks for keeping me off the streets.
That's such a stupid saying, but I like it.
I'd like to thank all the sidewalks out there for watching, because they keep me off the streets. You guys right there, keep me off the streets.
Alright, there you go, Eric.
So we're gonna call them our little sidewalks, because they keep us off the streets.
I'm glad that Paige and Sarah E. and Ange and Wendy. Oh, only your family will say hi.
Only one of those people is my family.
Two of them. Shut up.
Are you prepared to suffer to save your son?
No, not really.
You have
What kind
5
of
minutes
tablet
to
is
cut
that
off
even?
the last section
It's a
of
great
one of
tablet.
your fingers in front of the camera. If you succeed, you will get your reward.
Or fuck you.
Or I'll just walk out.
Or fuck you. Run away.
Okay.
Impossible. No choice.
The pain's gonna be intense. Gotta find some way to reduce it.
Impossible.
Gotta find a sharp object, something that'll make a clean cut.
Like an
I
act.
don't wanna have to start hacking away at it.
Possible.
Cut off a finger? No way!
Choice.
I might just be able to get through this if I make the right choices. There's gotta be a way to do this.
Give up.
I can't cut off my own finger. I just can't do it. I want to save Sean. I'd do anything. Anything but that.
Refuse.
This is fucking nuts. I can't do
Whoa.
it. I want to save Sean, but I refuse to do this.
Leave.
This could all go horribly wrong. I'm not going to save my son by dying here. I have to go through with it.
You
I have no choice, for
4
Sean's
minutes
sake.
And 30 seconds left.
5 minutes. I've got 5 minutes to cut off my finger. Gotta decide now.
Run away. Out that fucking door. Down. Is he gonna do it? Leave. Circle. Sorry, Sean. But, fucking you, Shawnee. He's
Let's
like,
get fucking leave.
alright,
Wait, what do we do when we leave? Wait.
it's the next episode. Everybody, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.